Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to review this ASUS Webcam C3, and let's try to find out if this is a good option for your online streaming, work from home, or maybe
online school.
And she will be using this one. Let's try to find out if this is an effective solution for her online school. And now let's try to find out what is included in the box. Ate Claire, let's try to open it.
I know how to scissor.
You know how to use the scissor?
Yes.
Very cool.
Okay.
And okay guys, the thing that comes in the box is, show this to them, it's the manual.
Manual. I like manual.
And what we have here is the unit itself. Okay, and there are no other option or device included. It's just the unit itself with the USB cord.
Yeah.
And now let's try to configure and test this unit.
Okay. Yay.
And guys, before we use this, let's try to remove this plastic covering and let's try to configure or set this up on our workstation. Okay, you just need to find a USB port in our... Okay, and after that one, you should be able to use this unit already. And okay, let's try to place it here. Okay, and let's try to open the camera. Okay guys, for now, let us try to capture the actual performance of the built-in camera from our laptop and compare it to the ASUS Webcam C3. But later on, we're going to test it more so you can see the difference of the two. For now, let us try to open the camera on the computer. And right now, as you can see, it is a bit grainy or blurry because there is actually a little light inside this room. But let us try to compare it with the ASUS Webcam C3 and see if there is actually a difference. And guys, as you can see, I'm not really sure for now, but later on, we're going to see a better capture image screen recording from our workstation or laptop and show it to you if there is actually a difference. But for now, I can see it clearly that there is a huge difference from using the webcam built-in and the ASUS Webcam C3. And guys, this is just the 720p resolution built-in webcam from my laptop and also the built-in mic from our laptop. And guys, this is testing from our ASUS Webcam C3 and also the mic from our ASUS Webcam C3. And for some of you who are into online streaming, this is the quality that you can get using OBS or other platform that you want to online stream on Facebook or YouTube. And also, this is the audio capture coming from the ASUS Webcam C3. And it is really good. And for the verdict and my recommendation, actually guys, I'm giving this webcam a 5-star. The reason being is that it is much affordable compared to the other webcam on the market which has a 1080p resolution. There are 4K resolution, but if you can afford those, yeah, go for it. But for the 1080p range, this is actually a good camera. And I don't have to convince you regarding those. You have seen the footage earlier, the comparison between the built-in camera of my laptop and the ASUS Webcam C3. And I think this camera is for everyone, for streamers, online school, or work from home. This is actually a great camera. And before I forget, I would like to say thanks to our friends at ASUS Philippines for giving us an opportunity to test and review this webcam. I'm really amazed with the performance of this one. And guys, if you have comments and suggestions, comment down below or on my FB page. I'm trying to answer as much as possible. And please hit that subscribe button and like button so we can create more content like this one. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe and bye.